fix, fix. There we go. Perfect. Alright, now I'm just going to put, you know, a wee bit of another coat of Mod Podge, just a wee bit, not a lot. And we're going to diamond dust this baby. And pick it up like that. Like that. I want to try and keep it thin, but it doesn't look like it wants to be thin. Alright, let's grab the diamond dust. Da-dum, da-dum, da-dum. Karen doesn't like diamond dust. Poor Karen.
Oh my gosh.
What? What?
You and your diamond dust.
I know, right?
I know.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. This wants to get away on me. Okay, well. Okay, I think that's good enough. I think I'm going to take this and press it all in, because that way I won't get prickled. Shake off what doesn't stay. Ta-da! Okay. Now, this is a super small bottle of diamond dust, by the way. It's just super small. Okay, I'm going to dry this up a bit, and then I'll come back.